Welcome to JH. I recently gave amazing Ashwa by Force Factor a shot, and the first thing that struck me was how incredibly easy it is to swallow. The capsules are smooth and gentle on the stomach, making consistency a breeze, because apparently, not choking on your supplements is the new gold standard for health. After sticking with it, I started noticing a much more balanced energy throughout the day, completely skipping that tragic mid-afternoon crash I usually get from my caffeine addiction. Beyond the energy, it brought along a calmer mood and sharpened focus, helping me stay productive without the usual side of existential dread. It's a steady, natural boost that doesn't leave you feeling like you've been struck by lightning. Honestly, it's like having a personal life coach in a bottle, minus the annoying motivational quotes and the 50-minute bill. It's clean, effective, and fits into a daily routine so easily you might actually remember to take it. This stuff covers stress, energy, and focus all in one go, proving it's a high-quality supplement that actually does what it says on the label for once. It's officially earned a permanent spot in my morning ritual, mostly because being a calm, focused, and energized human being is a nice change of pace from my usual chaotic self. If you're looking for a way to survive the workday without vibrating like a broken lawnmower, this might just be your new best friend.